Did you know ChatGPT can change the way it talks to you? From professional and formal to friendly and even quirky. Here's how you can customize it in just a few taps. So the first thing you need to do is open the ChatGPT apps on your mobile phone, then tap the top left corner, then tap again on the profile section in the top right corner. Then at the very top, you will see personalization. You can tap on that. The first option at the top is tone and style. You can choose how want the ChatGPT assistant to respond to you. The several options like professional, friendly, candid, quirky, and two more others. Here you can also customize ChatGPT characteristic. There are several options you can adjust. First, you can choose to make ChatGPT more friendly or more professional. There are the three settings: default, more, or less. So you can decide how friendly you want ChatGPT to be. In addition to friendliness, you can also set how enthusiastic you want ChatGPT to be responding. And you can choose the response format, whether you prefer heading and list or paragraph style. You can even decide whether ChatGPT use lot of emojis or keep them to a minimum.